How to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time Apple ID error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing this error message, this phone number cannot be used at this time. Try again later when creating an Apple ID or connecting a phone number to your iCloud. This video is for you. This issue often happens when Apple detects unusual usage from that phone number. It could be like creating too many accounts or when the number is already tied to another Apple ID. So it is basically Apple's way of limiting the misuse. Some of the common scenarios reported are verification codes cannot be sent to this phone number at this time and please try again later errors. So a surprisingly effective solution on this case would be using a different device to create or verify the Apple ID. Then after you can log in into your original account and this should work. This also works when the number is temporarily blocked on your original device. However, if the problem persists, you can try signing out of your Apple ID. Then after sign in again and update your iOS to the latest version. This should probably help fix the issue. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.